from Hackmakers, and this is a quick introduction video for our mentors. On behalf of the team, I'd really like to thank you for giving of your time, skills, and guidance to be part of this event. We really appreciate it, and the competitors really do too. Now, I'm recording this since there are so many of you, and due to all the different countries and time zones we come from, it makes this difficult for us to meet in person. We're also going to be releasing this recording on our YouTube channel so that anyone who is curious about being a mentor or who wants to better understand what a mentor does during a hackathon can watch and learn a little bit about what we do. So firstly, what is a mentor? Well, a mentor is a very generous person giving of their time to help others in their area of expertise during a hackathon. We're not competitors and we don't tell teams what to do. We're there to help and advise teams. Now, some might think that all mentors are technical gurus. Well, this is not always the case. In fact, you need many different skills across the hackathon. We have mentors who are excellent at helping teams with techniques to improve ideation, improve user experience design, are subject matter experts in specific business processes, or are great at presenting, are entrepreneurs and understand product fit, and mentors that have technical expertise across a wide variety of technical capabilities. As mentors, we encourage you to reach out to the wider group when something is outside your area of expertise. Diversity of our mentors means that we can set up our competitors for success. As I've mentioned in a previous video, a hackathon occurs over a very short time, about 48 hours. Now, this means that teams will go through three distinct phases. First is idea generation, the second is rapid build, and then finally demonstration. So let's talk about each of these phases and how we as mentors can help teams. For the first few hours of the hackathon, many things will be happening while hackers are getting settled in and start their work. Now, when it comes time for teams to start brainstorming, this is a great time for us as mentors to use our industry knowledge to give feedback on their ideas for things like feasibility, usability, and design, helping set up development environments such as installing the right IDE or software versions. Now, rapid build. For the bulk of the hackathon, hackers are going to be hard at work making their projects come to life. Now, this hackathon will have a dedicated mentor Slack channel where hackers post their questions and location in the hacking space. This way, mentors can choose to help out with what they're best at. Note that hackers come from all sorts of skill levels and backgrounds, and helping may include, but is not limited to, getting started with new technologies and a tech stack, how to use APIs and API authentication, debugging and troubleshooting, and ongoing feedback on the design and direction and how the project is going. Now, demonstration is the phase where towards the end of the hacking period, we start putting together a demo of the projects for judging. Now, here a mentor's industry experience, business, and insight will be especially valuable at this time to help hackers build a usable and interesting project. Things that go on during this period include beta testing of the project and suggestions for enhancements if possible, giving feedback on engaging and interesting demonstrations, including presentation techniques, deployment and DevOps help. And sometimes it works on my machine, you've got to make sure that it can work, and more debugging and troubleshooting. So let's talk about the resources available for mentors. Firstly, we have the hackerspace, where you have access to various resources, including videos and the FAQ. In the FAQ, there are links to the Hackathon Primer Pack, which contains guides and resources for you and the teams that you mentor. The second area is Slack. Slack is where competitors, mentors, sponsors, and community partners can interact, share, and learn. There are a few channels that are important, and you should encourage your teams to monitor all of them. Now, the mentor guide document from the FAQ gives you a list of the important channels for them to monitor. But in addition, you should also join the Ask a Mentor channel and encourage your teams to post their help requests as well. Now, each of the hackathon challenges has a channel starting with the word challenge, bit obvious, and each of these contains information relevant to the specific challenge involved. In addition, we have a channel for mentors in Slack. Here you can talk with other mentors, ask for help, and share your skills with others. Remember to introduce yourself and join the conversation. So this quick introduction will get you started, but remember to read the Hackathon Mentor Guide, and we look forward to seeing you and how you can build and encourage our competitors. Thanks.